Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. How are you doing? I am fine, and how are you? What are you doing in the battlefield? I saw the plane crash just here. I am searching here and there to find the people and help them. What have you been doing here? Well, unfortunately my plane crashed. I am injured. Can you take me to a nearby hospital? Oh, so sad. There is no hospital around here. Let's go home and I will provide you first aid. Thank you, sir. Let's go.
Now Steve took Buck Andrews to his home.
Andrew, my friend, now you look better. Just it takes us few minutes to move towards the hospital. Thank you, my friend. No, my dear, look, it is my responsibility to help my fellows. It is a human responsibility. Okay, dear. Good, I am going to take the car, then we go to hospital. Okay,